how to change the main language of your Wix website. So right here, I'm inside the Wix website editor, and I will simply click on settings in the top left corner, and you want to go to multilingual right here near the end of the options. Once we select it, then this will load up the multilingual application, and this is the language that we have detected on your website. But here, if we want to change the main language, we will simply search for the main language of our website, and then we will click on confirm default language. And now, like I said, this is going to install the Wix multilingual application, and right here you can choose to add different languages. For example, I will do English, United States, and I will add this language as well. But you will see right now that French is actually our main language. Now, if you have said this previously, and it says that English is your main language, then what you have to do is you have to go to your website editor here, and we have to go to add apps, and then we will go to the manage apps option at the bottom, and you simply have to uninstall the Wix multilingual application. So you will find it right here. Click on the three dots, and we have to delete this, and we have to choose a reason for deleting this. But basically, after you have uninstalled Wix multilingual, once you set it up once more, then you can choose the main language of your Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.